Welcome to the Colorado Sales Tax Lookup. Let's search for a tax rate. When you first visit the site, you'll see this screen. To start, we'll click in the search bar. We can search for any location in Colorado, using either an exact address or just a city name. Let's search for an exact address. If you'd rather, you can also browse the map to find a location. Click here to browse. Once you've found your location, the website will default to show the tax rate for general merchandise. You can change this at any time by clicking here. This will allow you to search for specific items or browse from the list. We'll click the search icon at the top of the window and type in a product or service. Let's search for IT services. You'll notice the tax rate appears on the left. Additional tax rate details, such as state and local tax rates, are found here. Click here for tax rate history. Select a date and see what the tax rate was for that time. Click here for an overview of this lookup. Click here to ask a question. Simply email us a question and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Click here to export your Colorado Tax Lookup report.